Why does your scanner show the P0335 engine code? What does it mean? P0335 is a diagnostic trouble code for crankshaft position sensor, a circuit malfunction. This engine code indicates that this generic diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is triggered when the powertrain control module, PCM, or engine control module, ECM, does not receive a proper signal from the sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty crankshaft position sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, timing belt or chain issues, damaged reluctor ring, corrosion. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chrysler, Dodge, Chevrolet, Jeep, and Toyota models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.